Nandip classes Patoda Standard 10 Semi Part First Chapter Chemical Reaction and Equation Concept.
Definition of chemical reaction: a process of in which some substances undergo bond breaking and transform into new substances by formation of new bonds. It is called the chemical reaction.
Definition of physical change. A physical change takes place due to change in the parameter such as temperature, pressure. It is called physical change.
Definition of chemical change. If the composition of matter changes during process, it is called chemical change.
Substances formed as a result of chemical reaction of new bond are called product.
Definition of chemical equation: the representation of chemical equation from using a chemical formula called as chemical equation. Example: CuSO4 plus Zn. Product: ZnSO4 plus Cu.
My topic name is written as a chemical equation. First, in a chemical equation, reactants are written as the left hand side while the product of the right hand side. These are indicated and the reaction of the reaction. Second, if a product or a reaction of or a production are two or more, they link with a plus sign between them. Third, to make a chemical equation, G is the indicated arrow upward and S is the indicated arrow downward. 4. If it is given from outside beginning reaction of indicated by the sign triangle written as a between arrow between them. Fifth, if necessary to condition if necessary to condition specifically temperature etc. to beginning about the some reactions. 6. Specifically information or name of the reaction are written as a formula. This condition is called written as a chemical equation and 6 rule. Thanks.
Hi friends, I am Aditya. I am telling you balancing a chemical equation. First, balancing a chemical equation. Second, unbalancing a chemical equation. Definition of balancing a chemical equation: the numbers of an atom of reactants and product are same is called balancing equation. Second, unbalancing equation: the numbers of an atom of reactants and product is not same. Two types of equation means reactants and product is not same is called unbalancing equation. Thank you.
In a balancing chemical reaction concept, a chemical reaction is balanced step by step. A trial and error method is used this purpose.
Step first, write the chemical equation from the given word equation. NaOH plus H2SO4 product Na2SO4 plus H2O.
Step second, check whether the equation in balance or not. Comparing in the equation the present in the equation.
It is converted to balancing of equation from the compound of atoms maximum numbers of atom. Cell balance equation: 2NaOH plus H2SO4 is equal to 2NaOH plus 4 H2SO4.
Chemical reaction are classified into the following four types in accordance with the natural number are products and reacts and products.
Hi friends, I am telling you four types of chemical reaction. First, combination reaction. Definition of combination reactions: in the reaction in which the single product from two or more reactants. This is called a combination reaction. Second, decomposition reaction. Definition of decomposition reaction: in a chemical reaction in which two or more reactants form from a single product. This is called a decomposition reaction. Displacement reaction. Definition of displacement reaction: the ions is more reactive elements in a element compound are exchanged with the participant. This is called the displacement reaction. Double displacement reaction. Definition of double displacement reaction: in the reaction the ions of the reactants are exchanged with the participant. This is called the This is called a double displacement reaction. Thanks.
Endothermic process, the process in which heat is absorbed from the outside, is called the endothermic process. Example, CaCO3 plus solid plus heat product CaO solid plus CO2 gas.
Exothermic process. The process in which heat is given out are called exothermic process.
Definition of rate of chemical reaction. Some reaction completed in short time will same other require for completed in main that the rate of chemical reaction.
Factors affecting the rate of a chemical reaction. Five types of this topic. First one is nature of reactants. Nature of the reactivity of reactants influence the rate of a chemical reaction. Second one is size of the particles of the reactants. The rate of a chemical reaction depends upon the size of the particles. Smaller size is reactants of particles and higher is the rate of a chemical reaction. Third one is concentration of reactants. Concentrated acid reacts faster than the dilute acid, which that means the rate of a reaction is proportional. Fourth one is temperature of reactants. The rate of a chemical reactions increases on increasing the temperature is called the temperature of reactants. Five one is catalyst. The substance in whose presence in the rate of a chemical reaction without any causing the chemical reaction. This is called catalyst. These are the five types of factors affecting the rate of a chemical reaction. Thank you.
Definition of oxidation. When the positive charge on an atom or an ions increases charge on them positive, it is called oxidation.
Definition of reduction. When the positive charge decreases or negative charge increases, it is called reduction.
Definition of rust: a reddish color hydrated from Fe3 plus ions, it is called a rust. Definition of corrosion: due to various components of atmosphere, oxidation of metals take place, constantly resulting in their damage. This is called a corrosion.
First concept of chapter is rancidity. Rancidity definition: a leftover cooking oil for making food step. It is found to have fuel odor is called rancidity. Thank you. Nandi class is part of the this video. Like, share, subscribe and comment. Press the bell icon. Thank you.